Hey everybody, welcome to Valley Forged. And of course, I am talking about, I finally got my Ortur Air Assist, and it took 3 weeks, obviously, because it says streamed 3 weeks ago, and this is when I bought it. I want to say excuse the noise when I first go outside here. It's because I have both air assists on. I do turn them off after a little bit, but at least you get to hear kind of how noisy they are. The Ortur is definitely less noisy and more powerful, but are the results any better? We will take a look at that. And I just wanted to show you, here's my first air assist, which is the Diwali. It's $90 and it says 16 liters a minute, which I will be talking about because I don't know right off my head. So now you know before I do. For $90 here as well, you can get adjustable 30 liter a minute, right? So that does seem better. And of course, here is the Ortur, which is not on Amazon yet. And if you are going to buy it, I would suggest waiting till it goes on Amazon so you don't get stuck, you know, like I did, paying extra for expedited and not getting it for 3 weeks. But it is a beautiful air assist. I really think it does look very nice. It sounds nice. It is more powerful. But again, is that going to help? So let's get into it. And again, don't mind the noise at the beginning. And then I'll do a full review to the end. Beautiful day outside. I won't be messing with the Monport today, although I really want to. I am going to be finally, what came in, finally, the Ortur Air Assist has finally arrived. And boy, that has been a hassle. You know, I ordered this from their special show that they did. Here, I'll run a clip.
It's obvious that we can get a cleaner, the cutting and the engraving result, right?
Yes, very clean result. That's the most important thing about this upgrade.
Yes, right. Mm-hmm. Because sometimes when you want to go with your working with this laser machine,
yes,
and you will find that maybe there will be with a little yellow edge for the wood.
Right. Some yellowish stuff on the plywood or the material you're using.
But so if you're going to go use with this one, you can get a better, or maybe you can find, wow, it's just perfect.
Yeah, and the results will be very visible.
Yes.
You know, and I saw in the morning, I was looking at this, and it said out of stock. And here, I'll turn it off. Wait. That's one of the things I'm going to get to. You can't turn this off from the knob. You have to turn it off from this thing, which is very inconvenient where I've got it. Okay, so as I was saying, so the morning of this big sale they have, it says it's out of stock, and then magically when the sale starts, it says nothing. It doesn't say out of stock. So I order it with expedited shipping. I paid extra, and this thing took like 3 weeks to get here. I'm fairly certain it wasn't in stock, and they just ran the sale anyway. I doubt I got expedited shipping. I just wasted $20. And I would have just said, you know what, forget it. I'm not taking this thing. My power supply started acting up anyways. But I wanted to review it for you guys. So I really wanted to see, because compared to this, and this will say like no name air assist or something like that. It's generic Diwali. It's the same one as you see on Amazon for like $90 or something. It's the same one, and it works okay. And I've showed in some videos how I modified and glued it to the side, put this on there. This works really, really good, and you're able to kind of make whatever air assist you want to out of it with some pretty cheap pipe. And I'll be doing a full testing on different methods of doing that, on like how this angle matters as far as engraving and cutting. But it leads to me thinking, oh wait, don't they have a little area right here for the air assist to go in? Why aren't you using that one? Well, I was having some issues, and as a matter of fact, the manufacturer even told me not to use it unless I was cutting, and to take the nozzle off when I wasn't cutting, which made no sense to me. So I decided I was going to go. And also, the lens was getting dirty. So with this thing, if you're using it the way you would think it would be intended, I was getting a dirty lens, and it really wasn't helping. So that was right out. But along comes the Ortur Air Assist, and so they showed on their video that it made your engraving so much cleaner. Now, they don't mention anything about cutting, nothing. So I'm guessing it doesn't help with cutting. But I will test that. I will test this in every way that I possibly can, but today we're just going to do the basics. I'm going to run a test with no air assist, one with the Diwali and one with the Ortur, all set up the way that it should be at the factory, and see what the difference is. That's going to be what we're going to do today. I will also just show you the basics about the difference in air, because technically this one's supposed to be 5 times more powerful than this one. I believe this one says it's 10 liters or something a minute or something like that, and this one is 50. So I'll put it up on the screen, whatever the actual measurement is, but it's supposed to be much more powerful. It is more powerful. I don't know if it's 5 times more powerful, but here, let's turn them both on. Okay, they're both on full blast. And this is the Ortur. And as you can see, I can kind of blow this around. And then when we do the same with the Diwali, which is also on full blast, you see, nothing, or very little. So you can see it is more powerful, but is it that much more powerful? I would say it's about twice as powerful. But hey, that's good. I mean, because they're relatively the same price. I got this on sale for $100. In fact, we'll knock this off again. I got the Ortur on sale for $100 plus my expedited shipping brought it to what their regular price is, which is $120 or $129. And this thing is built like a tank. It's quieter than the other one. This is super light and kind of cheap, but hey, it worked great. This one definitely, man, I don't know how much this weighs, but you could probably hurt somebody with this real bad. It does have the quick release here, which is really nice, especially if you want to use 2 like I do. Overall, it seems like a very well-built machine. So let's test it out. Okay, here we are running with the Ortur Air Assist. Seems to be super clean, I gotta say. That's looking darn clean. Right. Now we're out here with the Diwali Air Assist. Again, these are at full power. Let's see how this one goes. And then I'll do one with no air assist and we'll see what's up. Now, I do have the hose in the top, but it's not on, as you can not hear. Anyways, I'm going to shut this down and we'll see you inside. All right, well, we are done. I'll try and run this light over them. Here, maybe this is best. See what we got. Now, I wanted to make a note. You know, this LaserMaster 3, when I stopped using it a few days ago, it has been cold, it has been rainy, and it's, what is it, like 50 out right now? It's not exactly freezing, but you see how it's not cutting circles? All of a sudden now the belts don't work right. All of a sudden. Now I gotta deal with that. This thing is a bit frustrating, I gotta say. So I do not have circular coasters anymore. So these are the 3. This would be the one with the new air assist. This would be the one with the cheap air assist. This one would be the one with no air assist. Well, I think it's pretty easy to see. I don't know. I would think it's pretty easy to see that the no air assist is the best one, although it does have a little bit on the edge, just right here. The next best would be the good air assist, or the Ortur Air Assist, I should say. And then here's my cheap air assist. Now again, I think it's better not to use their air assist at all, and I'll probably use the Ortur because it is a little bit more powerful. Like I said, I don't think it's as more powerful as they say. So the cheap one is 16 liters a minute or something, and this one is supposed to be 50. I believe it's 50. Anyway, let's take a look. I mean, that's just it. So no air assist is the winner. I took off the nozzle, and that's the way that I would run it. If you go to my video where I talk about air assist, you'll see I have an improved method, but I have so much more testing to do that I can definitely make this better, and I will make this better, but this is it for this video. See you in the next one. Number 3, no air assist. Now, I am not sure, of course, yet, but to me, this looks the best already.